Hello and welcome to $50 gift cards. This is Ernest Odell, your host, and I'm going to give you a brief few videos here to watch in the instructions. First thing, when you come onto this site, is you will fill in your name and your best email, and your phone number is optional. If you want me to work with you and help you, put in your phone number and I'll work with you. You can give me a call. You will have my phone number in the welcome email. So when you fill this information out, use a real email address so that you can get my information if you need my help. This is a real simple site, okay? You put your information in here, your name, your best email, and of course, again, optional. And then when you press get instant access, it will switch you over to this page right here, okay? It will send you over to right here. You'll see $50 gift.cards, and it'll switch you over to referral 11. That's me, Ernest Odell. So when you get down here and you go to put in your information, you'll use referral ID 11. Okay, then you'll register. This is a real simple, easy site, all right, to get registered on. Do take the time to read the information on these offers, okay? This is cheat proof, okay? If you're caught trying to defraud the merchants or LFK Products, which is the owner of $50 gift cards, you will not be able to continue, okay? Only one account is allowed per person, per IP address. You cannot use AOL browsers, AOL internet service, or any form of a proxy IP address, okay? Do read their terms of service. This is easy. You can make some money with this. You can get paid several ways. You can get paid by PayPal, or you can accept your favorite gift cards. You can get paid by direct deposit or even a check. I've got a bunch of checks that I have, received that had $50 on each check. So, sometimes I just like to have a check and go put in the bank. Show the bank. And they ask me, hey, man, where have you been making all this money? It's great. Over here, we'll show you some of the advertiser offers, that they have in here. You will need a full 1.0 credit, okay? Do enough offers to get a credit before you can get your prize, okay? Your prize can be whatever you select. You can, take one of these gift cards, $50 gift cards, and give it to friends and family, or use it yourself. It's your favorite place of business. You can use it at a restaurant. You can buy merchandise. You can go to fashion stores, or you can just get, the Visa MasterCard with $50 on it. You can make as many of these unlimited as you want. $50 gift cards pays out every day, once a day. So, choose your way when you get logged in. You get signed in, all right? Once you get signed in and you create your account, okay, you will, let me back up here, okay, and get back to the referral 11 here, okay, and it will take you in. If you have any questions, you will get my contact information in the welcome message. I will send you a welcome message, and it'll have, the information. Right here, you can see how it works. Read all this, the terms of service, advertising policy, privacy policy, proof and testimonials. We even have a way for international members who are outside of the U.S., UK, and Canada and Australia. We have a way to help them get started. Here is my favorite part is, there's no minimum. You can have 1 or 10 cards to process, whatever. Okay. I will show you how to put together a big system and show you where to advertise. If you want to work with me, I'll show you how to crush this. All you have to do is sign up on that original site with the $50 gift cards over here at .billmoney.biz. That's $50 gift cards.billmoney.biz. Sign up there, and I will show you how to crush this, because you will not get this information in this training from me until you are qualified. Once you're qualified, you never have to do it again. And you can go out there and market, and I'll show you where to market and how to market, and hit them hard and make money. I have made lots of money with this program. So get on it and sign up. Thanks.